Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva CV to create a professional resume. Canva makes resume building straightforward and accessible for everyone. You can begin by exploring thousands of professionally designed templates, ensuring you find one that perfectly matches your industry and personal style. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows you to effortlessly add and arrange text, images, and other design elements, making the creation process smooth and enjoyable. It is a fantastic tool for crafting a standout CV. Once you have chosen a template, the next step is to personalize it to reflect your unique professional journey. Carefully select a template that resonates with your target industry and personal brand. Then, update all the text fields with your specific work experience, educational background, and key skills. Canva provides extensive customization options, allowing you to easily adjust colors, fonts, and the overall layout. This ensures your resume truly stands out and captures attention. A strong CV effectively highlights your qualifications through well-structured sections. Start with a concise professional summary or objective statement at the top, giving a quick overview of your career goals. Then, detail your work history, focusing on achievements and responsibilities for each role. Be sure to include specific numbers or metrics where possible. Finally, list all relevant skills, certifications, and your educational background to provide a comprehensive picture of your expertise. Before finalizing, it is crucial to thoroughly proofread your entire CV for any grammatical errors, typos, or inconsistencies. A polished resume makes a strong impression. Once you are confident in your creation, download your finished document in a high-quality PDF format, which is widely accepted by employers. Canva also allows you to share your professional CV directly from the platform or send it via email, making the application process incredibly convenient and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.